Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Beauty, and if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button, and let's get into this video. Hey guys, as you guys can see, I did do my ball cap method off camera, and right now I'm cleaning my hairline with some alcohol, getting off any excess glue or dirt. So let's get into the next process. So right now I'll be applying some glue to my ball cap so it can lay a little bit flat, just in case that the free spray didn't make it flat enough for my liking. So that's what I'm doing before I apply my actual 3 layers of glue. So right now I'll be actually applying my 3 layers of glue, and you want to make sure you have a good amount of glue evenly on your ball cap and on your skin. And I also will be applying my wig in sections just so I can see what I'm doing and how I will be laying my wig down. Once I apply the front section of my wig down, I'll be cutting off the excess lace that I see, and then I'll continue applying my wig down. Once I apply 3 layers of glue, I'll be melting my wig into my skin just so I could get that melted look that I'm going for. And I'll also be blow drying my hair on high heat and then laying it down with the elastic band, and then I'll be spraying it with some freeze spray. Once I'm done blow drying my hair, I'll be sectioning my baby hair out, and once I'm done doing that, I'll be combing them out just so I can loosen them up from the freeze spray. Once I section out my baby hair, I'll be applying freeze spray once again, just so it could give me more of that melted look that I'm wanting. So that's what I'm doing right now before I apply that elastic band one more time, and then we'll be a close step into getting that finished look. For this hairstyle, I'll be doing a middle part down the middle. And right now, as you see, I'll be combing it down before I apply my wax stick, and then hot combing it down so it can lay flat. Once I have the top portion of my hair flat enough from the hot comb, I'll be going in with my flat iron, and I'll just be pressing it out. For this look, I wouldn't want it too bumped up, so I'm just flat ironing a little bit as you see. Once I get it to my liking, I'll be continue on with the next process. Right now, as you can see, I'll be sectioning out my baby hair, and I'll be laying them down using my Gorilla Snot gel. Once you have your baby hairs laid to your liking, you could begin to blow dry it down or tie it down with a satin scarf. I'll blow dry it down just so that it can have an extra hold. At this point in the video, my phone did die, so I'll begin to show you the ending process of how my hair came out. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And Lord Beauty is out. Thanks for watching, and if you guys want to see more videos, comment down below and tell me what kind of videos you are interested in.